Are you diving into Android development with Kotlin and feeling a bit lost? You're not alone. Today, we're going to tackle a common question. How do you declare UI components outside of the onCreate method in a clean and efficient way? I totally get it. Starting with Kotlin can be overwhelming, especially when you're used to Java's straightforward syntax. Many developers have faced the same challenge when trying to declare buttons and other UI elements. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, "Can I declare buttons outside the onCreate method like I do in Java?" They mentioned that they find Kotlin's syntax a bit cumbersome, especially with the nullable types and the need for the exclamation mark when initializing onClick functions. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So what's the deal with Kotlin's approach to UI components? Kotlin encourages a more concise and safe way of handling nullability, which can feel different if you're coming from Java. But don't worry, there are clean ways to declare and initialize your UI components. And stick around. By the end of this video, you'll not only know how to declare your buttons cleanly, but also get a pro tip that will make your Kotlin coding experience even smoother. To declare UI components in Kotlin outside the onCreate method, the user can utilize the property delegation feature. This allows for a cleaner and more concise declaration. Next, the user should initialize the button inside the onCreate method. This is where they will bind the button to its corresponding view in the layout. Now, the user can set the onClick listener for the button without needing to use the exclamation mark. This is because the latinate modifier guarantees that the variable will be initialized before use. This approach keeps the code clean and avoids null safety issues. The user can now declare and initialize UI components in a straightforward manner. Fun fact, Kotlin was designed to be fully interoperable with Java, which means you can mix both languages in your Android projects. So if you ever feel stuck, you can always fall back on your Java knowledge. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. One alternative approach is to use the latinate keyword for your button declaration. However, this means your views will be variable instead of final. If you prefer them to be final, consider using lazy property delegation. With lazy, the button is initialized the first time you access it, ensuring your activity is loaded. This method provides a clean and efficient way to declare UI components. Here's the pro tip I promised. Embrace Kotlin's features like property delegation and extension functions. They can significantly simplify your code and enhance your productivity. And there you have it. You've learned how to declare UI components in Kotlin cleanly and efficiently. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on Android development.